And Christ gave the command, send the disciples to the world, go to the world with nothing. No haversack, no pair of shoes, clothing, no coin in his pocket. So he gave up all his belongings, wealthy belongings, gave all his properties, distributed to the destitute, the poor, especially the lepers. And so his father disowned him publicly. Eventually he went around Western Europe preaching penance, brotherly love, and God's compassion. And he got around 12 disciples of high ranking. Some were canon in the cathedral, some a rich man, some educated man, gave all their possessions, sold their possessions, gave to the poor, and followed him. So with that 12, he went to the Pope and he began his religious association, congregation, Friars of Assisi. He did not become a priest, but he was a deacon, and eventually the friars, Benedictine friars, gave them their church, and with that he built the monastery. And then, so many years ago, he got around 5,000 followers then, and with that he began the missionary work of preaching Christ, preaching brotherly love, preaching penance to the world. And so he was a beloved saint of the world, and his name is written in heaven. So God asks us, he does not want us, Francis of Assisi also had a congregation, lay congregation called the tertiaries of the people. And he told them, no carrying arms, no taking part in wars, and preach brotherly love and penance. And that's what he asks of each one of us, to carry on, to preach God's compassion, brotherly love, and penance.